In this tip, we'll see a few examples for the split and partition string methods. Consider this sample input string. There are different kinds of whitespace characters. Now let's apply the split method. By default, the whitespace characters will be considered as the separator and any empty element will be discarded. So in the output we will get only the non-whitespace characters. Next, let us split based on a specific string literal. So we will use this bracket characters as the separator. So in the output you get these three elements. Let's see one more example. Here colon is the separator. In the input there are no characters before the first colon character, and similarly there are some empty fields. So unlike the default split, when you pass a substring, empty elements will be retained. The split method also has another argument called maxsplit. So let's see an example. We will use hyphen as the separator, and we are telling that only once this input should be split. So we should get apple as the first element and these characters as the second element. What if you want to split based on the rightmost separator instead of the leftmost separator? Very simple. You can use the rsplit method. Now let's apply maxsplit equal to 2. So you will get 3 elements in the output. Next, let us see an example for partition method. So this also splits the input string, but you will always get a tuple of 3 elements in the output. Let's see an example. So input is maths colon and 85. We are going to partition based on this colon character. In the output, we'll get the string which matches before the separator itself, and rest of the input string. What if the separator is not found in the input string? Then the entire input string will be the first element and remaining will be empty. Similar to rsplit, we also have a rpartition method. So in this case, the rightmost separator will determine the split location. So this should be first element and this should be the last element. Hope you enjoyed this tip.